Material, decoration and firing. The striking black slip with a metallic sheen, so characteristic of Greek pottery, was a fine suspension, colloidal fraction, of an ilotic clay with very low calcium oxide content, which was rich in iron oxides and hydroxides, differentiating from that used for the body of the vase in terms of the calcium content, the exact mineral composition and the particle size. This clay suspension was most probably collected in situ from specially located ilotic clay beds that produce spontaneous colloidal dispersion in rainwater. The stability of the chemical composition of the Attic black slip argues against the use of added deflocculants such as wood or other plant ashes, urea, tannins, even blood, suggested by several authors during the 20th century. This clay suspension was thickened by concentration to a paste and was used for the decoration of the surface of the vase. The paint was applied on the areas intended to become black after firing. The black color effect was achieved by means of changing the amount of oxygen present during firing. This was done in a single cycle. First, the kiln was heated to around 920–950 degrees C, with all vents open, bringing oxygen into the firing chamber and turning both pot and slip a reddish brown, oxidizing conditions, due to the formation of hematite in both the paint and the clay body. Then the vent was closed and green wood introduced, creating carbon monoxide, which turns the red hematite to black magnetite. At this stage the temperature decreases due to incomplete combustion. In a final reoxidizing phase, at about 800–850 degrees Celsius, the kiln was opened and oxygen reintroduced, causing the unslipped reserved clay to go back to orange red. In the previous phase, chemical composition of the slipped surface had been altered, so it could no longer be oxidized and remained black. The technique, which is mostly known as the iron reduction technique, was decoded with the contribution of scholars, ceramists and scientists since the mid-18th century, onwards to the end of 20th century.